today we are going to begin with the lesson number 21 of your class 5 English grammar, that is comprehension. Comprehension क्या होता है? In comprehension you have to solve the paragraphs with the questions. First you have to read the paragraph, then you have to solve the questions arise from the paragraph. Now astronauts, we are going to study the comprehension on astronauts. Astronauts have an exciting and adventurous life. Astronauts क्या होती है? Exciting और adventurous life होती है. Those who are on a mission and travel into space may be required to spend weeks in the spacecraft. The absence of gravity in space makes astronauts float inside the spacecraft, and they have to push themselves off the walls of spacecraft to move above. उन्हें क्या करना पड़ता है? वहाँ पे ग्रेविटी नहीं होती आपके स्पेसक्राफ्ट में, तो उनको अपनी वॉल्स को पुश करना पड़ता है मूव करने के लिए. Not just astronauts have little free objects float freely in the spacecraft. Astronauts traveling in space have to eat very carefully. उन्होंने बहुत केयरफुली खाना का पड़ता है. Unless the food gets into their nose or eyes, नहीं तो फूड उनके नोज में जा सकता है, उनकी आईज में जा सकता है. And they have to drink through straws fixed in containers. उन्हें straws से पीना पड़ता है जो कंटेनर्स में फिक्स्ड होते हैं. Strips of Velcro are extremely useful in holding on small things and in preventing them from floating above in the spacecraft. Having a bath is a novel experience. Astronauts wipe their bodies with a damp sponge and they use a special shampoo that doesn't have to be rinsed off. वो क्या यूज करता है? वाइप करता है अपनी बॉडी को. वहाँ पे बाथिंग तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. वो वाइप करते हैं अपनी बॉडी को और ऐसे शैम्पूज यूज करते हैं जिन्हें वॉश ऑफ करने की नीड ही नहीं होती. नाउ स्लीपिंग peacefully can be quite an ordeal. The man and woman aboard the spacecraft have to strap themselves to their beds and so they don't float away while sleeping. Straps होती है उनको बेड में जिससे वो फ्लोट ना करे स्लीपिंग के ड्यूरेशन में. Astronauts miss home and their friends. They communicate with people on the earth through emails and sometimes they even get to chat with them. So astronauts miss करते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने घर को. वो फिर क्या यूज करते हैं? ईमेल के थ्रू चैट करते हैं या फिर समथिंग जो उन्हें चैटिंग के लिए मिलती है. When the astronauts have to walk outside the spacecraft, they have to wear a space suit which is equipped with all the things they need to survive in space. वो अगर उन्हें स्पेसक्राफ्ट से बाहर वॉक करना पड़ता है, उन्हें वॉक करना पड़ता है, तो क्या यूज करता है? स्पेस सूट्स का यूज करता है जो वेल इक्विप्ड होते हैं सर्वाइव करने के लिए स्पेस में. It's incredible how the space suit controls the body temperature and also provides them with the air they need to breathe. वो incredible है, एकदम अच्छी बात है कि वो क्या यूज करता है स्पेस सूट्स में. उनका ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करता है उन्हें अच्छे से ब्रीथ करने के लिए और बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन करके रखता है. Astronauts face numerous challenges, but their adventurous spirit gives them the wish to carry out the mission with the tremendous patience and caution. Now here are the questions based on the last paragraph. Answer the following questions. Who are astronauts? Astronauts कौन? Astronauts, those who are astronauts have an exciting and adventurous life. Those who are on mission and travel into space may be required to spend weeks in the spacecraft. The absence of gravity in spacecraft makes astronauts float inside the spacecraft, and they have to push themselves off the walls of the spacecraft to move above. Space astronauts कौन होते हैं? Astronauts travel in the space, and the person who travels in the space are known as astronauts. Why do astronauts float in space? वो float क्यों करते हैं space में? The absence of gravity in space makes astronauts float inside the spacecraft, and they have to push themselves off the walls of the spacecraft to move above. वहाँ पे एब्सेंस होती है ग्रेविटी की, इसलिए वो फ्लोट करते हैं. How do astronauts communicate with people on Earth? वो कैसे कम्युनिकेट करते हैं? They communicate with the people on Earth through emails or through the chat services provided by someone to them. What do astronauts wear in space? वो क्या पहनते हैं? They wear space suit that provide proper breathing conditions to that maintain their body temperature also. How do astronauts drink in space? वो कैसे drink करते हैं space में? So they have to drink through straws fixed in containers. Strips of Velcro are extremely useful in holding on to small things and preventing them from floating above in the spacecraft. Find words in the passage that means the same as difficult experience and enjoyment or excitement. Second, Find words in the passage that means the same as the first one, difficult experience. पैसेज में आपका एन ऑडियल, ऑडियल मीन्स डिफिकल्ट एक्सपीरियंस, इंजॉयमेंट और एक्साइटमेंट मीन्स एक्साइट, वहाँ पे पैसेज में से निकालना है सेम मीनिंग वाला वर्ड, दैट इज दे एंजॉय एंड दे आर एक्साइटेड, दे आर वेरी एक्साइटेड, एक्साइटेड वर्ड है आपके पैराग्राफ में. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a grateful day.